Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here, something that's colorful and wearable for spring. Today happens to be the first day of spring, and when we talk about spring, we talk about colors because of all the flowers that bloom, the sun is shining bright, the hills are green. And on Instagram, I asked you guys, would you like to see a violet color makeup or a pink color makeup? And the answer was kind of 50-50, and I went with violet just because I have so many pink color toned makeup looks on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button, and as always, I've listed all the products that I've used in this tutorial in the description box right below this video. I'm going to start with my face today, and to prime it, I'm going to be using the Sani Youthful Face Contour Cream. This is actually a very thick moisturizer but acts great as a primer as well. And best of all, it's made from rose petals, so it smells so darn good. From the Coastal Scents Conceal palette, I'm taking the orange color as a corrector, and I'm going to use it on my face where I have dark circles and dark spots. You know how it works. I apply it first, I blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set it with a translucent or a loose powder just so it doesn't move and mix with the foundation that's coming up next. And the powder that I'm going to be using today to set this is from Artistry. For foundation, I'm using the Fit Me by Maybelline. This is the Dewy Plus Smooth in the color 210, which is sandy beige. Highly recommended if you have normal to dry skin. They also have a matte version if you have oily skin. I'm going to apply it with my fingers and then spread it out with a damp beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Nude. I'm going to work in sections. So I'm just going to apply it around my eyes first, blend it out, and then set it with the powder before it starts creasing. And then I will work around my jawline. For a light contour, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Fix Sticks, which is a blendable concealer in the color Deep. I'm just going to be using it in the hollows of my cheekbones as well as under my jawline. To set my entire face, I'm using the Jordana Forever Flawless Press Powder in the color Sand. Before I move on to my eye makeup, I'm just going to dust some translucent powder under my eyes. So in case there's any fallout from the dark color eyeshadows that I'm going to be using, it's easier to dust it off later. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to be using the Creme de Couture palette from Sigma, just because it's got some beautiful pastels and some beautiful colors in there, and I need some colors for today's makeup. First, I'm taking the color Lavender Honey, and I'm going to be using this in the outer and inner corners using the Sigma E40 blending brush. Then I will join the two corners through the crease using the same color. Next, I'm taking this color called Cassis, and I'm going to be repeating the previous step using the same brush. So I'm going to be focusing on the outer corner, inner corner, and I'm going to be joining the two corners through the crease. But this time I will be more focused in the crease and in the corners as opposed to diffusing it as much as I did with the transition color that I used before this. And then I will take a pencil brush and I will use this color in the inner and outer corners in my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm taking the Lumiere Luxe powder from Benet in the color Aztec Gold, which is a gold pigment basically. And I'm going to be using this right in the center of my eyes, so in the top lid as well as my lower lash line. First, taking a flat shader brush, I'm going to be applying this right on the center of the lid and then blending it out with the purple color. And then I'm going to be using a definer brush to apply it right in the center of my lower lash line. Taking a little bit more of the lavender honey color, I'm going to use it right around the gold eyeshadow that I used on my lid so it can easily melt and blend into the purple color. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. The one that I'm using today is from Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Length Mascara. For lashes, I'm trying something very new today. These are foam ink lashes in the type Exotic from Harjot. Harjot, if you don't know her, she is a fellow makeup artist. She's amazing. She's done makeup on me too. And now she's an entrepreneur that makes me so happy and so proud. And I always get inspired, especially by women entrepreneurs. I love the packaging as well. It says, "Wear your lashes as if they are your wings" by Harjot Kaur. And I'm going to be including her contact information right here as well as in the description box below. I'm using the Neutrogena eye pencil in black to tightline my waterline. Next, I'm going to be dusting out any fallouts, and then I'm going to be finishing up my eye makeup by applying mascara to my lower lashes. For blush, I'm going to be using a tiny amount of the Sigma Aura powder in pink because it's so pigmented. All I need is very little. And then I'm going to be using the tiniest amount of illuminator. This is So Hollywood from Anastasia Beverly Hills, right on the tip and bridge of my nose to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners of my eyes. For my lips, I initially set out to do something very matte. If you're the matte kind of a lipstick person, you can do that as well. But then I decided to do something very ombre. First, I'm going to apply the MAC lipstick in Heroine, which is a very pretty purple color. First using a brush to outline, and then I'm going to fill it in with the lipstick itself. And then to get that ombre effect, I'm going back to my Benet Lumiere Luxe powder in Aztec Gold, and I'm going to dab that right in the center of my lip. And here's the final look. I truly enjoyed creating this combination, something that's very unique and different from the other videos that I've created. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. And if you did, don't forget to comment below and let me know your thoughts and hit the thumbs up button. A big shout out going to Nupur Chauhan, one of my subscribers. If you guys want a shout out, don't forget to comment below and let me know as well. And I will see you on Thursday with a brand new one. Bye guys.